Good morning, guys. I just want to give you guys a quick update. So, remember how I told you guys that I was assaulted? Well, we just found out that not only did he do what he usually do, put hands and feet on this girl, but the autopsy report has came back. And he also pew-pewed her. Sending my prayers and my love out to these beautiful babies, because everybody that's online defending him, y'all gotta be sick. Like, he literally put hands and feet on this girl till she was unconscious, and then he pew-pewed her as well. I keep telling y'all, he wanted to make sure she didn't make it. Rest in peace to Zah.